Hey GED students, once again, I want you to take what we learned about exponents, really the understanding that we learned about exponents, and apply it so that you don't panic when you see a letter. This is a really common thing that a student will understand something really, really well when there's numbers involved, like say for example, I don't know, let's think about maybe 17. Like you guys understand something really, really well, like the 0th power when I put it on 17, or the first power when I put it on 17, or 2, or 5, or 11. When you know the number, you know what to do. And then when you don't know the number, you panic. You say, I don't know how to work with letters. And I'm like, you guys, it's not about the variable here. It's about what these two really special exponents do. And we know how they always behave. That was one of the first things we looked at when we looked at exponents here. And so let's think about the 0th power. That's the one that I told you was a rebel. You better remember this one because it doesn't make sense to a lot of students, and so they forget it. Anything that you're just believing me for, you will be quick to forget. So put it in your notes, highlight it, star it, circle it. I've been teasing my students for years that I'd like them to tattoo this on their forehead. But anything you raise to the 0th power, be it a known number like 17, will turn into 1. And guys, though, that's like any number. It doesn't matter if you want to take 5 to the 0th power, it'll be 1. It doesn't matter if you want to take 127th to the 0th power, it'll be 1. It doesn't matter if you want to take some ugly, nasty fraction with a negative and take that whole thing, I'm using parentheses to say that whole thing, and raise it to the 0th power, you're still going to get 1. So even if it's a variable, even if it's R, some unknown mystery number who refuses to reveal himself to you, it won't matter. The 0th power will do the same thing to the mystery number that he did to every other known number. He'll turn the entire expression into 1. Not 1R, 1. Done. Easy. Your little R problem is solved, as they say. You're not solving the equation, but it's not an equation at all. But that I'm using solve in the English form of the word, not the math form. Your little R problem is over. Okay, you guys. Now, same thing with k to the 1st power. If you're freaking out, I don't know what to do with a letter. Okay, guys, don't panic. Try plugging in a number or two to see what would happen. Like if it was 5 to the 1st power, what would you get? Well, we know that just means 1 5. So there it is, 1 5. Or, 11 to the 1st power would just be 11. Or 17 to the 1st power would just be 17. And again, it really doesn't matter how ugly it is. Like if it was like a negative fraction, again, trying to freak you out, raised to the 1st power, it would just be that same ugly, nasty thing, unchanged, written one time. And so that's going to apply to letters too, guys. What's k to the 1st power? Well, it's just a single solitary k. Don't panic. Don't panic when you see a variable, when you see a letter. Even if you have no idea what to do, just start trying things with numbers you do know. See if you can establish a pattern, and then you could apply those to these mystery numbers who have not yet revealed their identities to you. All right, if you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.